Hi, I'm Mantak Chia. Greeting from Tao Gardens. I'd like to introduce you the Stammzell-Qigong. The Taoism, they discover the heating. And the theory is that when you destroy the old cells and the new cell, like when you have damage and you heat them. So we have bamboo heater and steel heater. And so they discover that when you get hurt or we want to rebuild our organ, you heat them. For example, we say liver on the right side, or spleen on the left side, or lung, okay, or the intestine, or the kidney on the back. So when you hit them, this one not going to get hurt, but he have a vibration. So the Tao said, the organ are weak and sick now because there are too many, we call not working cells. They're sick, weak, but they've been protected. I don't know how they protect it. Or we say now we have many medicine try to protecting the weak and suppressing the it's protecting the weak and supporting the strong, suppressing the strong one. They're going to replace it. So the replacing, because our body have a process of replacing a weak and sick cells. And when we are protecting them, they can live longer, but they don't do anything. So if we have a lot of cells that they are weak and sick and don't do anything, now we get trouble when there are too many of them. So they don't work, they just eat, and they don't do anything. So if too many, that is the whole body getting weak. So the Tao say very simple. So usually we start with the navel. So when you hit them, so we start with the bamboo heater. When you hit them, and you started to feel that, the weak and sick cells, you damage them because they are weak and sick. So when you hit this vibration, you damage them, and the body replace them. Now, and now a new cell coming in. So that's very simple that you hit them. So we have each organ. So we start with like the heart and the lungs. Okay, this one is not going to get hurt, but the vibration can breaking the weak and sick cells. But the stronger cell get detox, get stronger. And that's what the theory been down. And the West also discovered that the stem cell will not, and I understand the whole process is that they said the stem cell will not do anything if the cells are not damaged. So they don't do anything. But sometimes we have some medicine protecting the cells. So the stem cell confuse the stem cell. They check it and they say, oh, they're okay. So they think they don't have to do anything. So that's why they call the stem cell cannot do the work. So that's why stem cell activated Qigong is, so we have like, we start with abdominal first and the back. After that, we follow the organs like the heart, spleen, and lungs, and kidney, and liver. So we follow the creating cycle, hitting the organs and damaging the weak and sick cells. So the stem cell can replace them. So that is a whole stem cell activating Qigong. When the cell not sick and when the cell sick and weak, you cannot do anything to them. They will occupy a space and the body cannot replace it. But they cannot fool the heater. If you don't have heater, you can use hand or use feet. Okay. The result also, but sometimes you cannot hit the back, the kidney, a little bit hard. And we have another one is the steel heater. So that is the steel heater. Okay. Okay.